trying to play music.
Battery 70%.
I forgot to turn that on. It also gets too quiet in here.
I know. That's the thing about my playlist. It's like, ooh.
Connected to MARISSHAOAT.
Yeah. Tell the whole world. How many weeks has it been?
I want to say like 7.5.
You have a
I
lot
would
of
not
girls.
normally do that.
Yeah. You have extra. That's why I feel like we're taking a little longer today. You have more than one rotation. We're going like 2 in a little bit.
I knew it was going to be like that because of the holidays. I guess that's my future. I bet yours takes forever.
Mine takes 5 hours.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So I take my laptop. I usually want to take my little neck pillow, but I never do because I be bopping my head all over the place, falling asleep. But then sometimes I catch up on my shows too.
Yes.
So
read a book.
I take the book. I don't end up reading it though. What's up, Swifty. What's up, Swifty? Welcome.
Hi, Swifty.
You'll probably see on your side if somebody says something.
Like on here. You would ask me that now. I don't want to do that right now.
You can lower your sound so we don't get feedback. You get to see the back of your head.
That's fast.
You know what's funny? I've been like craving Wendy's for like 2 days straight.
Wendy's?
What's that about anyway?
I've had my Wendy's in forever, but I'll tell you, they do have good frosties.
Yeah.
Fries are pretty good too.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I just might go out and buy me some Wendy's tonight. I don't know. I just
Oh, I don't judge you on that one.
I'll walk later.
I'll tell you, that one restaurant that y'all have is so good.
Which one?
It's like a breakfast.
Oh, extravaganza.
I like
Oh,
it.
it's so good. Yes, it's so good. It's a brunch place. They're closed by 3 p.m. I think.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah.
Because when I used to be able to come during the day, I'd be like, darn, I just barely missed it.
Even their coffee is like very good.
Ooh, try this.
Their Cuban coffee is real nice. Let me see if she's jacking up my hair in the back or it looks just as good in my front than it does in the back.
Oh, no, I trust you. It is cool to see.
I know, right? It's got to be cool to see the back of your head. I think when I go get my retightening, I'm going to go live so I can see what's happening on my head.
Yes. I'm like, oh, interesting.
Is that what my scalp looks like?
I know, like, what's my scalp? I'm used to seeing it in the back, in the front, but not the back. I'm always amazed how I can get the clean lines again.
Labor of love.
Yes.
When I started, I was like, oh my God, cleaning these lines is you're gonna be here forever.
No.
You're always gonna take so long. But then
Yes.
because I've done it, I've become fast with it now.
It's like nothing to you now.
I'm sure if I didn't worry about the lines, I'll move way faster. But
Yes.
I can't.
I'm glad you worry
I
about
can't.
that.
It's like OCD. I can't. I cannot. These lines gotta be clean. Some people don't like that though. Especially people with thin hair.
Yes.
And they just want it to look messy and full.
Yes. So
or not messy, but like not perfect lines.
Yes. I really do have a lot.
Ideally, I should just do this and end here and be done.
So just like boom, boom. Oh, wow.
But you have this much. So I have to finish it. I think it's delayed. So what I just talked about, you're just now about to see. See what I'm saying?
Oh, it is.
Yes. It's probably a safety feature. Who knows?
Yes, that's true.
I hope she did not just waste my $8.
What on that?
And not going. Trying to work around the camera. It's like my hand has to go this way.
I think this is just my phone
Mm. Are you on my Wi-Fi?
No, that's probably why. What is yours? Well, you know what? Don't tell me that.
I feel like the view is bad. I don't know. Is it me? I just changed it. Let's see how it looks.
Yeah, I'll try better. A little bit more on the side.
I drank Coke today. I can feel my hands shaking.
You was not drinking a lot?
No.
So when you do, you can feel
It's
it.
like, yeah, I can feel the sugar drop.
It's
Making my hands shake.
I tell you, when I drink coffee, because I don't drink it a lot, but when I do, I can feel it.
So of course there's caffeine in the Coke. I wish they'd make Coke without caffeine. I do like the taste of Coke, but can we do something with no caffeine?
No caffeine.
Does it actually like affect the taste or something? I wonder.
Have you had like the poppies and the Olipop?
Is that like the flavored?
It's like a soda, but it doesn't have all the bad stuff in it.
No, I don't think I've even heard it. What is it called?
A Coke flavor.
Oh yeah?
Olipop or
Olipop. Okay.
They're pretty good.
Oh, a lot of chats.
What did you say?
A lot of chats in here. What is it saying?
It's so funny because I don't see that.
Really? That's interesting. Live chats. What's natural and beautiful? Thank you. She is. Not fake hair. Love it. Great music too. Thank you. Cool cat vision. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Caffeine-free Coke is available. Oh, well, thank you.
Yes.
I didn't know that. I have to look it up because I like Coke, but the caffeine is like, I feel like my hands are shaking a little bit.
Yeah. Jittery, yeah. Did you already get that one?
Patricia Carter, are you latch hooking the new growth? Yes, I am. I'm interlocking them. But I don't use the latch hook. This is a locking tool. This is a dab tool by a Is it for Brown Queens? I know the person is a black-owned company. It's a really good tool. I wish it was just a teeny bit shorter, but it's wonderful. For Brown Queens, I think. Is that what I said? For Brown Queens.
Brown Queens. Mm-hmm.
Thank you for thanking me. So the music, I used to play regular music when I go live, and then I got copyrighted. I got a copyright strike from YouTube. And one of them, it said the video was being blocked. So my brother made me a couple of just plain instrumentals that I use when I go live. I don't want trouble. I don't want no trouble.
Your brother made you this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Al made it. He makes beats. He makes some really nice music. I believe he's on IG as INKC or INKS Inks or something like that. His music is really good.
Yeah, he does a good job.
Yeah, he does. He's been doing it for a long time. Long time. Great job, Sharon Miles. Thank you, Sharon. I try my best. I've spoiled these ladies with these clean lines, and I can't even go back now. They expect their clean lines.
Yes.
Anybody online with your school zone closed for tomorrow? Our school's closed for tomorrow because we're expecting like 7 inches of snow. And though it's not a lot, we get a lot of ice, which makes it hard to drive on
And
the
your
cars.
area is very hilly.
And my area is very hilly, and we don't have sidewalks, or what are the
like the barriers?
The barriers, and like if you skip on these roads, you are going straight down to the ditch.
Ooh.
So don't want the school buses to
even take that risk.
Take anybody's kid anywhere. That's all right. That means I don't have to wake up early and take anybody to school either.
You can sleep in.
I can sleep in. Because my client for tomorrow, she for yesterday. So I don't have anybody tomorrow because of the snow.
That'll be nice though.
So I wouldn't have anything to do tomorrow. Well, I lied. I guess I can catch up on taxes and stuff like that.
Okay.
Get ready.
That's true. I need to be thinking about that too.
Yeah, man. It's about that time.
It's about that time.
So, do you see this? These ones is like really barely holding on for dear life.
Yeah.
We will see what to do to it in the future.
Okay.
I might have to join it with somebody.
Okay.
To give it some foundation, but it's a little far away from who I can join it to
right now.
So, do you feel like that's part of the areas that you lost hair after having a baby?
Hands down.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
So hopefully it should grow back.
Yeah.
Eventually.
Yeah.
Gradually grow back, and we can get this lock to thicken a bit.
Yes, I hope so. this one where I said budding, but I can't find it now.
What?
Is it called budding?
What? Oh, my son?
Are you talking to me?
What'd you say?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Oh, I thought I saw someone over here.
Yeah, my daughter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm live. Are you going? Are you still going? What happened? Too late?
Yeah, it ends at 8:30. We came home at 7:52.
My cootie at. You owe me money. All right. Next time. Is there any more coming up?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's gonna be hoop coming.
Hoop coming.
Yeah, homecoming for basketball.
Okay, cool.
So I'll just go to that game, I guess.
Okay.
There's also like the food truck and stuff that they usually do for like homecoming.
Mm-hmm.
They have one again.
Okay. So you want the same thing?
Yeah.
Hot dogs.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I'll get it. You're welcome. She missed the game.
She did.
She doesn't seem too disappointed.
No, she didn't. I'm sure they'll have plenty of them.
Yeah. Let's see if I can combine. Kind of far. Ooh, no, I like the steak one. You know what I actually wanted to eat today? Wendy's. I wanted to eat Wendy's, but I'll take Peter's. I want the steak.
Okay.
Did you say Peter's?
Mm-hmm.
I've never heard of
Peter's Chinese.
Okay.
It's in Brentwood, girl. It's so good.
Ooh, I'll have to try that.
Yeah, it's really good. It's gonna take a minute though, because he gotta drive all the way to Brentwood before he comes back.
Yeah. It must be real good. Oh, maybe that will fix your Wendy's
My 2-day Wendy's craving. That means it's gonna be pushed down to. Yes, I wanted it yesterday. I don't even know why.
That's gonna be pushed out until possibly Monday.
Until the snow is no more. Yeah, we'll see what happens on Monday.
Now you're making me want Wendy's.
Or I just might go get my Wendy's and save the Chinese for tomorrow.
Ooh,
That seems like a plan.
Get both.
Exactly. So remember what we talked about, the straggly hair?
Yes.
There's one perfect one here that I can show you.
Okay.
And you know, ideally they say like cut anything like that off because tiny lock is not healthy lock anyway. This one, you see, that one is a perfect example.
That was one of the ones I was talking about.
Yeah, and that's actually like, it's even called slippage. You see that?
Yeah. So what should I do?
Nothing for you to do. Eventually,
it'll break off.
It will break off right there. But I'll just leave it alone and give it a chance to just finish locking.
Okay.
While we get the length.
Okay.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Close it up a bit. Yeah, that's a lock that will break eventually. That's like unhealthy.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you don't bother. We would love some. We don't?
So just
Are you sure? You use everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, please.
That's so sweet. Thank you.
I want one. How many do you want?
I'll take 2 so I can take 1 to my husband.
Okay, so bring her 4. 2 for her and 2 for her husband.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Still going. Awesome art. Thank you. We're done.
Are we?
Yes.
We're
done. Thank you for the 4 likes. There are 35 people watching that have 4 likes. I'll take it.
We'll take it.
All right, now let's do a clean grit check. Did I actually do everything clean or did I just fake some?
I have a feeling you did. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Thank you. That looks good. You did a good job, Mama.
Grit check.
Great job.
Bring me all higher. All right, let's check this side. Okay. All right. Now y'all should see her pretty face behind the mask. Too bad y'all can't see this face. All right. You good?
I love it. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank y'all.